Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on a day with some happy mail. This happy mail is from JodyHomeAndheart. She told me that she was going to send me her entry in late, and I told her that was fine. And she also said she was just going to send me some happy mail. So yay, thank you so much, Jody. You guys, if you do not follow Jody on Instagram, she's Home and Heart. I'll leave her Instagram link down below, as well as her YouTube channel. She does post from time to time on her channel, so definitely go show her some love. This is how her package came. It was wrapped up in a really nice box, and I just wanted to share with you, she had it wrapped in this really pretty wrapping paper, which has some purple in it. Thank you so much for being so thoughtful, Jody. I love it. All right, so look at her beautiful package. I just don't even want to open it, but I will. So let me just share with you her little handmade card, and it says home because she's, you know, Jody Home and Heart. And I absolutely love, love, love that, Jody. It's so pretty. And then on the back, it just says, "Hi, Erica. Sorry this took so long. Thanks so much for your kindness. Hugs, Jody." Oh, thank you, Jody. I love this little tag. So cool. So pretty. Okay, I love the way she uses her dies, you guys. She's absolutely amazing. So this is like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is cologne? Or not cologne, but perfume. It looks like it's a perfume sample. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ariana Grande. Oh, thank you, Jody. Now, isn't that sweet? I don't have this. Oh, it smells good. Oh, thank you. Yay. I'll definitely spray it and sample it. Thank you so much for that little treat. That was sweet. And then she's got some edible glitter, lavender. Oh my gosh. So she sent me some baking supplies, you guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I do have some edible glitter. I have some in red, but I don't have purple. So yay. Thank you. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much, Jody. That was so thoughtful. All right. Let me just open this up with some scissors. She's got this bubble wrap on here. I'm so sorry, you guys. Let's see. Okay, this is her little embellishment jar. I saw her post these on her Instagram. Look how super cute. Let me just get up a little bit closer. But look how cute. She embellished this little jar, and she put a beautiful purple rose flower. And then on the inside, she has a sequence mix that I can use. Isn't that adorable? I love that, Jody. Thank you so much for that. That's super, super cute. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna move to this little package, and she's got it wrapped up so, so pretty. Everything is just absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. So I think this is her mini loaded bag. Yes, it is. I believe it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how tiny it is. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at the front. It says delicious. I love the way you used your dies. So she layered her square dies, and it has a little stick pin right here peeking out that I can use. And then I'm gonna go ahead and carefully take out her first baking tags. I'm just gonna move this over so we can look at her tags. And they're tiny tags, and I absolutely love them. So the first one's a little cute little mitten, and she's got a spatula with a cookie in it, and then the adorable heart, a little bow, and it says love. And then look at this one right here, you guys, another mitten with some more cookies. And then she's got the little cute tablespoons with one of my favorite bow dies. Oh, I love these tags. So, so cute. Love them, and I like how tiny they are. Super cute. And then let's see, let's pull out this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at her paper piecing on this doll. I mean, look how she did her hair. I mean, it's just so dimensional, you guys. And she's holding a rolling pin. How super cute is that? Not only is she holding a rolling pin, but she's also holding some cookies. I mean, that couldn't be any sweeter. Oh my gosh. And then I love how you did the bow with the little heart right there. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Jody. I cannot wait to use some of these tags. I'm definitely hoarding some of them, but I love it. And then this one has some cookies and a little cup of cocoa. Super pretty. And I love the way you did the back as well. Gorgeous. And then look at this little tiny one. Oh, I'm loving the purple. I'm just loving it. Look at the little cookies with the hearts. She made them look like little heart cookies. And then she's got a purple rolling pin with her purple polka dotted mitten. Love it. Oh, I do love it so much. Thank you so much, Jody. Ah, love it. I love your creativity. And look at her little pocket. She used a little fun edge right there. It's really adorable, you guys. All right, I'll pull this out next. Okay, so she has been creating these little shakers out of like coin holders that she picked up of Allie. She used her dies, and so she layered it with the dies, and then she's got the little coin holder with sequins and stickers, and she explains how to do it on her Instagram. But look at this super cute butterfly. I mean, that's adorable. I can put this in a planner or a traveler's notebook. I'll definitely use it. And it says fearless. I love it, Jody. I love, love, love this. And I can't wait to order some of those because I want to try that. So, so cute. And then look at this one right here. We've got the adorable baking girl. Love how you pieced her together. She's absolutely adorable. She's just so super cute. She's got earrings. She's holding a spatula. I mean, life is sweet. Yes, it is. Love it. And this is how she finished off the back. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, Jody. And then she's got another sprinkled mix right here. Absolutely adorable that I can use. So thank you for that. She's got some Tim Holtz samplers. Shake well. Oh, did you make your own? Oh, wow. Awesome. She made her own like glimmer shakers. Like sprays. So I'll definitely try those out. That's so sweet. Oh, and she's got some sprinkles in here for me for baking. Thank you for that, Jody. I appreciate it. Oh, and this is another note that she has, and I'm going to read it off camera since it's kind of long. And then, oh my gosh, she sent me all of these baking supplies in purple. Pearl sand, purple sprinkles. Oh my gosh, I'm so set. Oh my gosh, flavored cane sugar. Oh my gosh, dark cocoa. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Scented gum. I haven't tried that. Thank you so much. And I love that everything is purple. You made everything purple. And then she also said, oh, habanero. You know I like spicy too. Oh, this is awesome. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. And if that's not enough, you guys, look at her super cute embellishments. I've got to take them out of the package so you guys can see this because they're so adorable. All right, I'm just going to cut the bottom. Okay. All right, so here are her super cute shakers using that coin holder. And you see the sequin mix inside of it. There's even tiny bunny rabbits. I mean, it's just absolutely adorable. So I can use these as an embellishment. So I could probably even put this on top of like a wand, like a shaker wand or something. That's what I'm thinking. But they're super, super cute. And they have words. This one says beautiful and this one says be bold. Oh, Jody, they're gorgeous. Thank you so much for gifting me a couple of those. And look at the super cute bookmark die that she used. It's perfect to put a small embellishment on and gift to somebody. So I love that idea as well. So inspiring. And look at the back. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Jody. And then let me just share with you lastly, this is her memorydex card. And I love the way you piece together that girl. I love that lovely girl. And she's holding a heart and it says home. Oh, I love it, Jody. It's so, so pretty. We just have to take a minute and look at it because it's so cute. She's got her little flower in her hair, cute little shoes, and she's just so dimensional, you guys. I mean, it's really, really cute. I like the way you have a little tab right there. So let me just share with you. There is her name, Home and Heart. And she's Jody Jara, Home and Hearts. So I'll leave her information down below so you guys show her some love. Jody, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This was such a sweet package. I loved everything that you sent. You were so super generous. I'm set on purple baking supplies. I cannot wait to play. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you guys leave her a comment, leave a comment, tell her what you think, show her some love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.